Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play eFootball on your PC using a controller. It's a very simple method, just you have to download some couple of apps. So to play the game you can download the BlueStacks or Nox Player. So from these two software you can download any Android game to your PC and you can play the game on your laptop or on your PC. So now I'm going to show you the another app which you can download to add PlayStation controller or Xbox controller with your PC or laptop. Just download DS for Windows. So this tool will help you to connect your DualShock controller like PlayStation controller to the PC and you can enjoy the game. So this was the video. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel.